Ripping it. Ripping it. It's on the charge. Premium tacos here. You know where we're at. You know what it is. We're here at Sepulveda, Venice Boulevard, on the scene. Right by the old Brazil smoke shop. Just be sure to put your bike lights on. About to get lit. And now, so see, we have two trucks right there. Premium. I come in the north side truck. We got a truck there, south side. We're here on the east side, 405. We're gonna cruise it out here. All the homies are out here. And the 405 is where it's at. Big houses, gotta dig it, gotta respect it. Now we got another truck over here. The new truck, the birria truck. Goat tacos. That's what we're hearing. Birria. We have to go check it out. We'll let you know what happens. And of course, shouts to Fat Burger and Snowfall. Gotta love that Snowfall poster. Premium. And Jolly Donuts. You guys rock. You already know. Keep it herbal.